I have a bad feeling. Feet! Feet! And we are. Very high. This is very high. This thing is gone. I am wet.
Wet. I'm okay.
Wet.
It's the
Morning. What a nice room. What a nice day. I think this is my favorite hotel that we had on the trip so far. It's just because of the location. Quiet, peaceful, amazing. Let's head out for last. And it's warm. Easy 30 degrees today. Look at this place. And the bamboo rafting is going on and on. It's like an endless stream. Gonna do some today, but not here. Right, bamboo rafting next. We're lucky. There's no people. Yet. We're gonna fill the place, the 3 of us, 4 of us. No, but it's seriously the other one. There's like 2 or 3 operators. But the stretch that we had at the hotel, super overrun with the big buses and the groups. Here it's more quiet, a bit more peaceful. This is what we like. We'll try to film a bit when on the bamboo raft. Let's see how it goes. Oh, the tickets are ready.
Yes.
Off we go.
Remember there are weight limits in here.
Weight
for-
limits.
Yes, for 2 people cannot over 320.
So 2 people 320. This would leave one people at 160 kilograms. So 160 kilograms per people. So this is the maximum.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. I think we are within.
For the kids, 100 meters. It's not enough 100 meters high.
1 meter, you mean?
1 meter.
Okay, so 100 centimeters. So 1 meter is the minimum height. So we know that. Oh my God, they actually weigh you. Nope. Here we are doing the bamboo rafting. It's actually real bamboo. It's not a plastic. Just saying. Cool. Very nice. It's funny how they would fix the little seats to the rafts. Just hope it holds, right? Woo. And we're wet. And we're off. We had some last minute changes. Sophia decided to go with Mama.
I'm so sad.
So they're in front of us.
She broken my heart.
Oh yes.
Cannot fix it. Oh, accidents! Okay, we're ready for the feet.
Ready for the feet?
Sophia, raise up your feet. Yes.
Feet!
Feet.
Oh, she doesn't listen. She never does. Ayo! Okay. Here we go. Ah! No.
That's too wet.
Okay, we are wet.
We're too heavy, so that's why.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh. That's good.
Chop. We're wet.
Yes.
It's gonna dry again. 1 point. It's just a thing you would do before going in on aircraft. Alright, we got the first shower. A bit wet. Oh yeah, it's part of the deal. It's actually pretty nice. Very quiet, peaceful. Also because there's very little people here. We're not sinking yet, so this is good. Just be cruising along on the Yulong River. Just really enjoy the tranquility and the view on those beautiful mountains around us. At the next drop, number 2. Oh. Okay, our turn.
Yes.
Feet up, this is the most important thing. And now we're gonna get stuck because I'm too heavy.
Yes. I
And
saw
we are
so many times
My
already.
God, the whole thing will just submerged. All right, it's not me, it's you, Sarah.
Yeah, no, it's you. I already lose my weight.
All right, I had heavy breakfast, yes, and I agree. All right, I was about to get dry now. Nope, not happening. Ah, it's gonna
Yeah,
sing.
we do the same. Hey, Sophia.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Oh no. All right, all right. I have a bad feeling. It's a fully submersible.
Because we are too heavy.
No, we are not. Stop saying that. So you're working on the boat now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going here.
Everybody is the same. It's not our bottom.
No, it's not us. You see, I'm telling you, we're not happy. This is just the way it is. Fee and Sophia got stuck. Wow. Okay, I have a feeling we're gonna get wet here. Again,
Yeah.
again. Nothing new. Okay. Feet up. And off we go.
Wow. I
Am I
can't
getting there?
imagine
Oh my god, this is
water.
high, this is high, this is high, this is high. This is very high, this is very, very, very high. This thing is gone. Woo, we are back.
It's okay. My pants. won't get
Okay, I am wet,
Yes,
wet,
look
wet,
at
wet.
my pants.
But hey, we had the feet up. That was a big one. So we finished our bamboo rafting with a big bang.
That's true.
So we are wet. Perfect to get into the van and drive for how long?
Oh.
We're gonna drive for how long now?
Almost about half an hour.
Oh, half an hour. Okay, we are nice and wet. Perfect.
That's good.
It's gonna get sticky and humid in the van now. All right, this is the end, my friend. And if you wonder, this is how all the rafts get back one place to the next. So we're ending our trip where the others are starting, if I see that correctly.
Yes, that's true.
How about those guys? They're gonna take the next thing and go further on, or
No.
they're gonna just stop here?
Yes, they all stop here.
Okay.
And then there's another like
Alright.
starts to the another side.
Yeah. Check it off.
Okay.
How are you apart from wet?
Is it fun?
I think I'm wet enough. All right, we can make our way. Woo!
Yes.
That was so fun.
Our little float disappeared on the last one. It was gone. I was like, oh no! I hope it comes back up.
It's not our problem. It's
No,
the farmers.
it's the farmers. Yeah, they're
Yes.
very heavy, you know. Yeah. We found out it's not me. No, am I wet? What do you think?
No, it's okay. Because when the water came up,
Oh,
I always
I'm
went
wet.
to the- Okay.
I am wet.
You're wet. I'm okay.
Wet.
If you saw the
high,
three
right?
other one, it was like going slowly down and a bit.
It was fun though. no?
I
love it too. It was really nice. It was definitely thumbs up recommended. It was this mix between the fantastic scenery, the calm, the tranquility, and then of course the excitement, the splashes. Cool.